So number 4, we're going to talk about something called a natural logarithm. And we use this when we have the number e, and it's in most of our banking formulas when we calculate interest. So first thing, e is just a number. It's kind of like pi. It's 2.718 and it continues on forever. So when a number goes on forever, it's an irrational number. And this one, like e, it's like pi. Okay, it's a number with a symbol, which is e in this case. Okay, and so the natural log comes from log base e. We say it natural log. A lot of times you'll hear teachers or people say ln when they write it. So ln of x is the log base e of x. Okay, so the natural log and e are inverses. Okay, so if I have the natural log or ln of e to the x, these are inverses, ln and e. They just cancel out, and we would actually use the product property, and our answer would just be x. So if you take a natural log of e, you're just going to get x. Well, when it's e to the x. And it goes the other way. If I have e to the power of natural log of x, these are inverses, and you're just left with the x. Again, you would use the product property. Okay, so those are inverses. So let's just look at a graph. Something with e is growing. So this red line, this is the graph of y equals e to the x. And this blue one, where it's growing slowly, almost flat, this is the graph of natural log of x. And when we reflect them over y equals x, that shows that they're inverses because they're a reflection of each other. Okay, so in our section, we are going to use a banking formula for continuous interest. And sorry, it's not typed out. We're just going to have to write it. Interest. So the equation we call PERT. It's A equals P E, this E, to the exponent of RT. Okay, so A is the end amount after our interest is earned. P is the principal. That's the amount that you invest in the beginning. E is just a number. It's this, 2.718. R is your interest rate. And we write that as a decimal, not a percent. And T is the time in years. Okay, so you're going to see a question that makes you use this formula.